I would probably use the X-Men analogy where it's quite conspicuous that there's some sort of biological evolution occurring with the X-Men drive. But subliminals in and of itself, one is precognition, premonition. We're looking at mental disorder from a philosophical perspective, like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream. It encompasses at least 4 or 5. Sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Extrasensory perception.
Is to illustrate the three-dimensional optical illusion that we perceive as three-dimensional art on a two-dimensional surface or canvas.
Looking cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas. What determines momentum, what determines sarcasm, condescension, and all these sort of devices.
Rhetorical devices is the power of persuasion. Things like irony.